What's going on YouTube? It's your boy YGTJ back again with another video, and this one gonna be real quick. We just gonna do a little quick installation, unboxing, and that's gonna be it. So what do we have here? So I'm gonna open this up. See, straight off eBay.com. Got these little smoked whatever LED side marker lights, whatever they call it. They might get sent back, I don't know. If they look good, I'll keep them. So to get this little side marker out, you got to go back here and then pull this off. I think it's a 10mm socket. I'm using a deep socket to make it easier. Pull that off and then get this out. I think you just turn it, pull it, and it'll come out. Yeah, got that out. Reach back here. I cannot see. Pull it. Boom. I hope. And just knock this thing out. Like that. Got this one out. I think you gotta take this bulb out too. I got the plastic on here still because if I don't like it, it's going back to eBay. All right, so with this, you're just gonna wanna take this light bulb out, boop, like that. I just sit it down somewhere safe, so in case I need to use it again, I'll have it. Then slide this little, whatever this thing is, slide this into where the light bulb was. Boop. I don't know if it matters which direction. I'm gonna just slide that on there and set it in the hole for now. And then turn the park lights on and see if it works. We're gonna actually, let's put it all the way in. See how the fit is. All right, so this is how it's looking right now. This is how it looks stock. I'm gonna give y'all a little view from a distance, I guess. And then I'll show y'all how it looked with the lights turned on, because that looked way different too. All right, so this is how it looked originally. And then we come on over here, and that's how it look now. I'm on the fence. I don't know if I'm liking it or not. We gotta see. Matter of fact, I'm gonna make an Instagram poll, and if y'all are not follow my Instagram, I will put it in there right now. It's also in the description. Go follow that so I can be up to date, and you know, all that good stuff. Y'all can be involved in decisions that I make with my cars and all that. So yeah. All right, so here we are a couple days later. I had to wait for all the Instagram and Snapchat votes to come in and whatnot, but I did end up going with the black side markers like most, if not everybody, chose, and I am honestly happy with these. It makes the car look, I think it looks like more sleek. I don't know, but the silver and black is just a good combo, and I think it goes nicely with the tinted windows too. So yeah, I like it, and that's it. So that is it for this video. Thank y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment, subscribe, share the video, and also if y'all aren't following the Instagram, go follow that so y'all can be involved with more stuff like this. It's gonna get more in depth, because you know I'm gonna start trying to do stuff to this little Mustang over here too. Don't think I forgot about it, but yeah. And if there's any other type of videos that y'all want to see in the future, don't hesitate to drop a comment, like, or shoot me a message, anything like that. Just give me some more ideas what y'all want to see, so it can be more directed towards y'all. But yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna let y'all go.